Why should I choose PBS to represent my company? That's a question I hear rather often. Because PBS stands for Profitable Sales Growth. This is my response, and I typically add, the real question should be, how can PBS get us in front of the right customers that are ready to buy from us? My name is Werner Peuger. I started PBS in 1993 after completing a student internship in the US, focusing on sales and marketing. Sales has since become my passion, my business. PBS is building up new markets and winning new customers for manufacturers from all over the world. My team and I enjoy taking on those all-new sales missions, those all-new challenges, and we are absolutely committed to making them a success. Our success is based on combining this passion with a very efficient, very structured, four-step process.
First thing is to understand your objectives, your target customers, target industries. Do you want to conquer new markets and regions, new applications? Based on this, we put together a lead list. This list consists of contacts from your desired target accounts and new markets and segments, and our vast PBS sales network. We are serving more than 500 well-established contacts on the OEM and system supplier level, and are selling engineered components, systems, and software applications to approximately 120 active customers in industries like automotive, mechanical engineering, rail, and others. Together with you, we jointly draft a strategy to access and establish these targets. We then take a highly focused approach and really zoom in on the target customers we are determined to win. Phase 1. In Phase 1, we determine the best fit PBS sales staff for you. We always assign at least 2 salespeople to make sure that we can start off with the highest momentum. The 2 sales experts will visit your plant for the kickoff training to get to know your factory, products, capabilities, and colleagues. They will become part of your sales team. Unlike the traditional multi-line sales representative, we work focused with your company name, logo, and email for the best positioning of your company in the market. Phase 2. In Phase 2, the operational sales work begins. The objective is to find and establish access to the targeted customers. This means sleeves up, hands-on, persistent calls, visits, and initial meetings. We need to get qualified inquiries, prepare proper quotes together with our principals, and present to the customer in the most attractive way. Persistence and competence are crucial. We need to earn the respect and confidence of our contacts. Phase 3. Phase 3 is key because today, sourcing decisions are no longer taken by individuals, but by a board with competent executives from purchasing, quality, supplier development, application engineering, and others. Our mission is to convince a broad group of decision takers, technically and commercially, and to successfully turn quotes into orders. Phase 4. In Phase 4, we start up and secure the initial business. We support the sample approval process and start of series production by working closely with the relative departments. Our sales experts provide proactive, reliable service to the customers, secure the business base, and utilize all chances to grow the account long-term.
New customers, new markets, profitable sales growth. Sales is our core competence, our service that we customize to your individual needs. Typically, companies hire us to establish business in new markets. Quite often it is Germany, because Germany is the single largest market for technical components in Europe. With our PBS offices in Hanover, covering the northern part of Germany, and in Munich, covering the south, we can get traction quickly. Manufacturers from the US often assign us to cover all of Europe for them. We know how to travel Europe cost efficiently, and our multilingual team is very well acquainted with the different mentalities and cultures in the European markets. We have been successfully selling engineered components across Europe for more than 20 years. Achieve your ambitious growth plans by using our experience and well-established international network.